Well, hello everyone. Tina Spalding Trance Channel here today. I just wanted to come on and give you a little heads up that next week we are having an event to which you can buy a live streaming access pass. It's going to be a wonderful 3-day event from Sedona, Arizona. If you can't be there live, which I'm assuming you can't, it is available to you to buy a live streaming access pass that will give you access in real time to this event, and will also give you a recording so that you can watch it at your leisure if you can't make all of the live aspects of what is coming. These live streams are very, very in-depth. You get these wonderful 90-minute in-depth channeling experiences. There will be an opportunity for Q&A from people who are observing the live stream. So I did want to just give you that heads up. The link is in the description box below, and you can purchase that up until, let's say, Sunday. It starts Monday, so I wouldn't leave it till that long, but you've got a few days. So really encourage you to join us there. They're always very fun, lots of interesting channeling visitors that usually come through these events. So I'm going to do a little channeling. I have been concerned about some of the health effects that people are experiencing after the last couple of years. I'm not going to be using any language, and hopefully Jesus won't be using any language that will get this video taken down. He's pretty good at doing these kinds of things. So I would like you to listen and consider any decisions that you might be making over the next few months. Take this information into consideration as you move through the choices that you and your family will be making. Let's see what he has to say. You are blessed beings indeed. I am that one that you know as Jesus. We have told you many times through these many years. We are into our 10th year now of channeling through this delightful being who allows us to bring you this information. We want you to understand that this is a very, very pivotal decision, this idea to participate in the suggestions that your government's making about your health. We want you to understand that this is a multi-lifetime decision. This is not a frivolous decision. This is not something that you want to make without the most deep consideration and research. We do not consider watching CNN research. We do not consider reading the local newspaper research. We mean research to find out, as you do with your food, what's in your food. Do you eat food that is highly contaminated with pesticides? If you are ignorant, you might, but if you care about your health, that is not what you do. We want you to consider the inconsistencies of your behavior as it relates to that which you consume. By consuming, we mean that which you insert into your body-mind complex, whether that be images, whether that be information, whether that be food, whether that be other substances. We want you to understand that when we say this is a multi-lifetime decision, this decision is going to impact your consciousness evolution in this particular spiritual season. We are at the end of a spiritual season, and what that means is that there is a reconciliation of sorts. Just as when you come to the end of the month at your bank, if you don't have enough money in there, there are some repercussions that your bank may decide to take. What we want you to understand is at the end of a spiritual season, there is a consciousness reconciliation. And what that means is that whatever decisions you have made over many lifetimes are going to be tallied up. Your thoughts and frequencies are going to be tallied up, and they are going to be used in making decisions about whether or not you graduate to the next level of consciousness or whether you return to repeat the grade. We want you to know that there is a lot of repeating of grade happening at this time. Make sure that you are not repeating the grade. Make sure that you are advancing into the next level of consciousness, aware and awake and well informed. We are not speaking these words to scare you. We are not speaking these words to punish you. We are merely speaking these words so that you understand the magnitude of the decisions that are being made at the end of this spiritual season. I am that one that you know as Jesus, and I will speak to you again soon. Okay. In closing, I'd like to just let you know that there is a short clip coming up of one of the participants in the upcoming live stream with some beautiful healing music from crystal bowls. Her name is Carol Morgan. She is my business manager, a wonderful channeler and healer in her own right. So stay tuned for a moment and listen to this and sign up for the live streams. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.
With this gratitude, you are telling the universe that you are ready for more. As you sit there in hopeful expectation for understanding the gift in your current situation, you become aware that there are beliefs that are coming up. Wow, these beliefs, so many stories. Stories about your ability to navigate. Stories about your self-worth.